What's up, everybody? Welcome to the LsBluu YouTube channel. Today it's a kind of an overcast day. There's a slight chance of rain, so if you see this, we're going to the track. If you don't, then we're not. We've got some new slicks. We're gonna go spray some nitrous and see if we can't run another 10 and maybe go a little bit faster. It's been a very long time since I've been on the track, since this injury and since all that. So I'm ready to go try out this timing box. We're not going to turn it up tonight because those injectors are 113% duty cycle, and I don't want to blow that engine up. So we're going to play it safe and stay on the 150 shot. Just tinker around with the timing a little bit on that, and try to dial the suspension in, get a little bit better 60 foot. But let's get right to the track. All right, so we are here. It is hot as can be, but it is beautiful skies. Ready to go. I'm going to try out these 28s. Got the suspension back here dialed in, and we're hoping to get a good solid 60 foot. That was a very good pass. Shut up. Put my hat back on. Just ignore the beeping, it's nothing. Ultra gauge is trying to tell me my fuel tank is full, and it died. Still really good. What is that? What in the heck?
Really hot anymore. Not alone in here.
I put that thing on there tight.
Well, not tight enough.
It's that wolf.
It blew off.
When that big old pop, I guess that was nitrous on the two-step. Smudgy.
That was really exciting.
That was a good pass.
It was pretty cool to watch. Just lucky it didn't come out as we're supposed to.
It went hard left. I don't know why it went so hard.
Dude, I still can't believe you ran that fast after that takeoff.
That was a good one. That would have been a 670 if it, you know, hooked up and not chucked the exhaust tip off of it. All right, we're getting ready to put that here. What?
You want this in your whole bag?
Yeah, sure. We are loaded down, ready to go home. Hell of a night. Big shout out to Lee. Thank you so much for hauling me and helping me out. It's been a very good time. A lot of good passes. Thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.